right, so we got a 24 millimeter Whiteline rear Swaybar in the 2008 Passat. All right, so then it also comes with the bushings you'll need, so you're going to be replacing the stock ones. All right, so it comes with 2 rear brackets, as well as the bushings that'll now fit a 24 millimeter sway bar. I believe this has a 21 from factory. It might be even less than that, honestly. 2 Allen bolts. One of those. All right, so these here are bushing stops. And what you would do is you clamp these down around the sway bar next to where it'd be mounted on the car. And what that does is when it comes under load, it keeps the bushing mount on the sway bar from sliding. So this would basically push up against it and kind of hold it in place and give you even more stiffness. So these are really nice that they include these. A lot of kids don't. And this thing for $200 on sale, it's kind of a great deal. And check that out, we got instructions we can just throw away. Grease free. Wow. General instructions. Well, we'll just... Alright, so we can put these on ahead of time.
Well, don't you need to figure out where they go first?
Yeah, but we can slide them around, you know. That's what I'm kind of thinking. Alright, so we're just going to start these on here. I'm not going to tighten them down, but just so they don't get lost.
I think the tire's on this one.
Alright, there you go. It's funny, the pavement out front there is blinding me because it's reflecting the sun. All right, so this rusted piece of crap you can see right there is what we're replacing today. So it's significantly thinner. If you ever needed a reason not to work on a car, that's a pretty good reason. But this is getting brand new today. And don't worry, it's on both sides. Alright, let's start pulling off the wheels. Get these cats out of here. Woo. Sure. I don't think it's going to get any better for us. Oh, these bolts on here don't look too bad. It's just the brackets are corroded. The bolts don't look that horrible. Oh, yeah.
That one didn't even hit.
Oh, this probably needs to be opposite of that. Yo! It's got movement! You know the best part? Is I'm gonna be reusing these bolts. So we're gonna have to clean them up. You know what? These are way better than the front ones because you can actually put a wrench on it. A lot of them don't have that, and you have to like get vice grips on them.
That or a ball joint spreader just to push it apart.
Look how smooth, dude.
Wow.
Man, it's like the rust ain't even there. Thanks, Icon. Whew. Look at that, baby. That's actually not too bad. And that's not in the worst condition ever, honestly. Considering this car is 15 plus years old. Okay. Should we do the other one first on the other side and then
Probably.
come to these brackets? All right. There we go. We got movement. Oh yeah. That's how you know your pots are premium, when you can take material off to make them lighter. That's 17. Honestly, like, most of the rust is just the paint coming off. The bolts actually don't look too bad. And considering these are completely exposed to the elements 24/7, that's not too bad. Well, you know. Oh, it's got to come towards me. Sorry. Nice, I think I just stripped it. Let's really get that in there and then pull this off. Lifetime warranty. And then, yeah, this needs to come towards me. So this needs to be going the other way.
For reference, this is what he's trying to do.
Oh, yeah. Do, 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 do. Okay, there we go. Not too bad, honestly. A little stiff, but all in all, that's not horrible. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at her go. There we go. I gotta get a mallet.
About 10% of those hit.
Nice. Yeah. Woo. We'll have to clean these up. They actually look to be pretty good, so they should be able to be reused. Or honestly, if you like stuck the phone over here, and we don't know if it's. Well, I think those are welded in, which is. These are actually coming out a lot better than I would have expected them to. How's that look?
Good.
All right. Yeah. Let me see. With a little bit of work and a lot of luck, you might look like me. Ka-chow. Look, it's like butter.
I don't like how you were able to tighten it. What was it, just not tight?
Yeah. Oh, don't worry. The rust was holding it in to whatever foot-pounds it needed to be at.
I guess.
Hey, as long as that little stud on the back doesn't start spinning.
It hasn't.
We're chill. It's nice. Say these are completely busted. Yes, a chance.
Right.
Woo! Just like that. It's like how we drew it up.
Brand new bushings.
Damn. All right. Now let's compare. All right. Let's use the existing Swaybar to kind of get these exactly, roughly, rather, where they should.
Swaybar's upside down, by the way.
Oh, yeah. Good call. Smack myself in the head. Something like that. Looks about where we want it. Okay. Just the weight of this compared to that, this weighs like maybe 8 pounds. That one weighs well over 15. All right, so this here is a hollow Swaybar, so it's a heck of a lot lighter. It probably weighs about 8 pounds. Our new one here, you can see, is a lot thicker. So we're going from about 20 millimeters to 24 millimeters thick. And then this is also a solid Swaybar, so that'll help resist the amount of torsion that gets put on this bar when the car leans back and forth. But we are using these existing bushing locations to kind of eyeball where these are going to go. That way when we put it in the car, it'll just be a lot easier. These locking collars for the bushings, you're going to want to put on the inside on either side. and make sure you really tighten these down. We're gonna leave them loose for now, and we'll tighten them once they're in the car in case these shift around. It included some other hardware, but I think the condition of our hardware, we're just gonna clean it up and reuse it. Yeah, so let's get it in the car. That thing isn't spinning back there, really? Nope. Oh, it sounds like it. It must be the rust that's breaking through. I think. There we go. Tighten the top. And we'll get the other side in about the same spot this one is. Damn, new parts on an old car. Yeah. And tighten up your locking collar just like that. Now I'm sure that these bolts have a torque spec. However, I'm currently under a car, so I will not be looking those up. So just tighten them down real good, nice and snug. If they feel tight, go a little farther and then you're good. And I'm sure these are one-time use bolts as well, but who's gonna do that? Yeah, that's good.